Hello. Basically, it's the night before my grad party. It is almost midnight. I am exhausted. I am sleep deprived. I am a mess. And I just wanted to show you what I've got. Right now I have these numbers. So 2018.
But you were like walking.
I'm Claire.
I was like,
Welcome to Maggie's vlog.
That's gotta be the intro.
We're happy. This is for my vlog.
She goes, this is Sunday. My name's Claire, and I need vlog.
I'm a dog with a blog.
excited. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. But are you recording?
This is my vlog.
Yeet.
Nikhil, you gotta do it now. Full fat down.
What?
One way or another.
Nikhil.
Hey, is that your vlog?
Nikhil. Nikhil.
Hey, vlog.
No, don't do that. That has to be horizontal.
Hey, vlog. I'm the reason Maggie's gonna get 10,000 subscribers one day.
Follow me on Instagram.
Just know my name, Aman Malik. This is a 5-cent Sharma.
No.
This is Maggie.
Why are you holding
You
it
didn't know
vertically?
already. No, it's not. It's horizontal now. This dog with the blog.
That's what Jake said.
They don't care. Get in anywhere. They don't ID you. They don't care.
No, I know. It's literally when me passed.
Thanks, Maddie. Holy shit,
That's
a violation. Throw the kill out.
That's not a queen call.
Aman disqualified. Aman disqualified.
You did. You gave me the 4.
Oh, yeah. Yes, we distracted him. The monitor.
Hello. It is the morning after my grad party. Party went really well. I was really happy that a bunch of my friends showed up. It was awesome. This doesn't really add to like the 1 week left till college vlog, but let's just say 1 week out, because I leave to move in 1 week from today. It is Monday. I leave next Monday. 1 week out, mentally, emotionally, physically, not doing so hot. So we'll see if that changes. Hello vlog. It is Tuesday, I think. Yeah, it is Tuesday. And today I have a pretty busy day. Last night I said goodbye to Claire as she left for Penn State this morning at like 7 a.m. And I just hung out with Aidan for the majority of the afternoon. And today I have brunch at 10:30 with Aman and Nikhil, so I'm gonna say bye to them. I have bar 3, it's like a workout class, if you don't know what that is. It's at 3:30 with Sarah and Cammie. And then at 7:50 I'm going to see Mamma Mia 2 with my mom for the 3rd time. I mean, this is her first time seeing it, but I've seen it 3 times. But 10 out of 10 would recommend. It just makes me really happy, and I wanted to see it one more time before I left for college. So, yep, that's the plan for today.
Seems like they're just happier than us these days. Yeah. These days, I don't know how to talk to you.
Hello. So this is a little week update. It is Wednesday. I just got back from bar 3 and it was awesome. I don't know why I keep doing hand motions, but anyway, it was really nice. That's not a good way to describe it. It was a good workout. I'm definitely gonna be sore later. It was fun hanging out with Cammie and Sarah. But my brain just wanted to talk mental, emotional update, you know. My brain is all over the place because I'm like, sometimes when I have to say bye to people, I'm like feeling sad, but like I'm still happy because I'm really excited for everyone and like myself. And it's super difficult if you're watching this and you try to make plans with me this week and I was super difficult with it. Like, I'm usually so good at making plans. I have a planner, I write everything down literally. It's just everyone like leaves at different times, everyone like their schedules keep changing, and I keep trying to find time for friends, but I still have to pack. I'm not ready at all in that aspect, and I'm running out of time. This whole big mess, and I feel so bad. There's people that have been texting like, oh, we can't out this day, just kidding, this day, and it's like really hard because I'm completely scatterbrained, so very anxious right now, so my head is going all over the place. Basically, that's where I'm at. That's the update. That's a Wednesday update for you. So I'm gonna go to the movies, and yeah.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should.
Hi, it's been a hot minute. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long. But basically today is Thursday, I think, and I had a hair appointment this morning. I dropped off my ceiling tile I did for my physics class at my old high school, and I had a dentist appointment, and now I'm going to pick up Andrew. I have to pick up textbooks from this kid that I'm buying them from, and for like my college classes, because he had them last year, and then we're going to a little barbecue at Tim's house, so we have to go get food for that. That's the plan, and then tomorrow it's just a bunch of running errands and stuff, so yep, enjoy it.
It's
only 4 days, but I don't know if I'm coming back.
Are you having fun there, Tim?
For a highlight and a cut.
What? Open a book? What the fuck?
Am I vlogging?
Oh.
Am I a vlog king? Yes. I am. We're just staring at the camera. Hi. I'm Andrew.
I thought you and Josh could entertain.
Josh is entertained. We're supposed to entertain.
Watch
Not
The
entertaining.
Rapist on YouTube.
The Rapist?
The Rapist.
Oh, I love that video.
You see that?
I love that video.
That's the greatest video ever.
Who? Be sure.
The grapist. He's like, I will grape you.
We're gonna look it up right
Yeah, show him. Bye.
No, not bye. It's not goodbye. It's so long. Goodbye.
It's never felt so right, and only you can take me there. No, I don't want you for the night, cause I want this life to share. Yet never lift my love, my gravity. Connected to this soul beat, be part of me. Lead me astray. Got you.